Alright, hello everyone, and welcome back to Daily Update on my 1000 day challenge. This is day 1142, so let's get things started. Alright, so first and foremost, across the board, we did some sort of like an indecision across the board in terms of S&P 500. We did see a clear rejection of the top. The reason why I say indecision is because we actually tried to go towards the downside, but of course, it's a very swift towards the downside. Wise, I do think that this could likely found a very nice bounce zone itself. So S&P 500 does lean towards potential mid or short-term bounce, but bear in mind that now that it's been rejected off the upside, I do think that the worst case scenario is we could actually, the best case scenario is that we actually consolidate. And alternatively, I do think that further downside could potentially still be likely in that sense. But if we do bounce on strongly off from here within the next 1 to 2 days, then yes. But unless we do that, then tentatively leaning towards neutral to tentatively bearish in that sign. All right, in terms of Nasdaq, same things we hit over here. We have a decent short bounce. I wouldn't say decent, but then again, we are below the 200 exponential moving average. So overall, we are still in a bearish, short-term bearish trend itself. We could have a very decent bounce, in which case, then if we get a rejection-wise, then there will be a very nice bounce-wise, rejection-wise, then we could still see perhaps this level. Otherwise, consolidation over here at the upside will potentially be a very good sign that we'd like to see as well. And if we move on in terms of the China equity market itself, definitely I do think that it could be a term itself, but bear in mind, you have a false spread. This is considered still a potential support zone itself. So, but we need to not stay here for extended period of time. We need to say we want to exit off here extremely quickly to show that the liquidity is being absorbed once price is over here and there's eager buying pressure in that sense. Similarly, over in terms of QM wise, over here there could be a monthly support region itself. Previously also had supports. So if we actually bounce off strongly from here, then that will be a really good sign. Otherwise, I still do think that here is a potential more likely base for confluence. But if you look across the board, S&P 500, Nasdaq, and also ASHR wise, they could be in the midst of a bounce. So I do think that this could perhaps result in QM bouncing off from here as well. All right, and then finally for Bitcoin itself, it looks to actually be extremely strong. So if we actually fail to hit this level itself, I did actually enter a short. So right now I'm actually going to close this trade and enter a short. Reason being is actually very simple. Let me just close the position. Reason being is extremely simple. But anyway, I just closed the position. And reason being is very simple itself. I did see that there was a rejection over here, but bear in mind that was on the 4-hour chart itself. But if you look across the board in terms of S&P 500, Nasdaq, ASHR, and KBR itself, there are confluence that we could be leaning towards upside momentum break. And you can see the downslope trend line has also been breached. And we're actually accumulating here above the support level on the 4-hour chart itself. So overall, there is some signs of potential support. When I want it to reject over here, or enter over here, see the red bearish as a confirmation sign itself, but we do not swiftly go towards the downside, then I do think that potentially we could consolidate and still lean towards the upside. That's my personal take on it. Otherwise, with that said, I've come to the end of today. If you guys have any questions, feel free to drop by your comments below, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Take care. Bye-bye.